You eat them in minutes, but making them takes a full factory journey. Today, how fries and nuggets are made at scale. The process most people never see. It starts long before the restaurant, at farms, processing plants, and cold storage. Fries begin with potatoes, chosen for size, starch, and consistent frying results. At the factory, shipments are weighed, sampled, and checked for defects.
Next, heavy washing. Removing soil and debris using high-pressure water systems.
Peeling is usually steam or abrasive, fast, efficient, and designed to reduce waste. Optical sorters can spot bruises, dark spots, or odd shapes in milliseconds. Then the signature moment, the cut. Potatoes push through blades into fry shapes. The cut fries move through water flumes to prevent sticking and rinse off starch.
Blanching follows, brief cooking that sets color, texture, and helps consistency.
Factories constantly test for moisture, color, and sugar levels to keep batches uniform.
After blanching, excess water is removed because wet fries fry unevenly.
Many fries are par-fried, just enough to build the outer layer that crisps later.
A light coating may be added for flavor and to protect texture during freezing.
Now the key, rapid freezing, locking structure so fries stay separate and crisp later.
This is why they don't become one giant potato brick in the bag. Automated scales portion precise weights. Then packaging machines seal them fast.
Every bag gets codes for traceability, so production runs can be tracked end to end.
Bags go into cartons, cartons onto pallets, and pallets into cold storage. Now nuggets, another high-speed process built around texture and consistency. It starts with chilled chicken. Temperature control is critical from the first step. The meat is ground or finely chopped to create a uniform base for shaping. Then it's mixed, often with seasonings and binders to hold shape and improve bite. Safety checks happen throughout, including screening steps like metal detection. Formers press the mixture into familiar shapes at an incredible speed. Perfect spacing matters, so coating and cooking stay even across the whole line. First comes batter. This helps the breading stick and adds that light outer layer. Then breading. Crumbs coat every surface, building crunch and color.
This is where texture is born. Too little and it's soft. Too much and it falls off.
Many nuggets are pre-fried briefly to set the coating before the final cook later. Excess oil drains away on vibrating conveyors designed to keep pieces separate. Temps and times are monitored constantly. Small changes affect taste and safety. Next, rapid freezing again, stopping the cook and preserving the coating. Cameras can check size and shape, so the final product stays consistent. Portioning and packaging happen fast, measured, filled, sealed, and labeled. Then into cartons and cold storage, ready for refrigerated trucks. From here, the cold chain matters. Consistent freezing prevents clumping and ice damage. At restaurants, products go straight into freezers to maintain quality and safety.
Fries are cooked in hot oil for a set time. Timing is everything for crispness.
Right after frying, seasoning goes on while the surface is still hot. They're held briefly under heat, long enough for service, not so long, they go limp.
Nuggets are fried to finish cooking and re-crisp the coating.
Shaking and spacing helps even browning so you don't get pale spots.
They drain, rest for seconds, then head straight to your box.
Freezing speed is a secret hero. Faster freezing usually means better texture later. Factories use diverters to route product, so one issue doesn't stop the whole line. Between runs, equipment goes through deep cleaning cycles to meet food safety standards. Samples are tested for texture, moisture, and cooking performance, batch after batch. Traceability is huge. Codes help track where and when each batch was made.
For fries, the goal is a crisp shell with a fluffy center. Processing is built for that.
For nuggets, it's crunch outside, tender inside. Formed, coated, set, then finished.
Same idea. Control water, control heat, control timing, and you control the bite.
That frying sound you love? It's water turning to steam, pushing outward for crispness.
It's the coating setting. The creeping setting when it's fried. It's right at the store.
So the real magic isn't just the fryer, it's the factory steps before it ever arrives. Wash, cut, blanch, par-fry, freeze. Mix, form, batter, bread, set, freeze. By the time you order, most of the hard work is already done.
It's not mystery, it's industrial consistency. Repeatable steps, controlled conditions.
Next time you dip a nugget or grab a fry, remember the journey behind that bite.
If you want more factory processes people never show, like, subscribe, and comment.
What should we uncover next? Burgers, soda, or ice cream? See you in the next one.